Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video. So stylish and trendy collection of Pixie haircut. In short hair with beautiful hair dye. Attractive and stylish hair styling. And many much more latest ideas of Pixie haircut in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in Pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest cut ideas: choppy haircut, notching haircut, some ideas with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and so attractive collection of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lighty blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and gold blonde, and other shade of dye: burgundy color, black color, grey color, light brown, dark brown, and some ideas in funky colors. And very attractive ideas of highlights. Highlights in burgundy color, in funky colors, and in blonde color. And very attractive collection of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some collection make curl with curler. And very attractive ideas of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And stylish ideas of messy hairstyle. And overall collection very stylish and latest in Pixie in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.